these things I'm not dealing here. Because I have to also show you one more thing. I'll be sharing this, okay? So I'll summarize my presentation by saying this, that meta-analysis is more of an empirical work rather than a theoretical work. It is more of a quantitative rather than qualitative. Qualitative review, what we were doing, these many studies showing this, that it is qualitative, nothing quantitative about it, okay? Whereas when you are combining, averaging, errors, elimination, this is a quantitative method. And the study outcome, it is a study outcome rather than raw data, and single independent dependent variable, and same or similar design, and most important, theory building. What is theory? I told you, if you are talking about the population parameter, that is theory. And by combining, we are very close to population parameter. So the results, we can very with lot of confidence, we can say that this is the theory between X and Y. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
Now, coming to the software aspect. Please go to CMA, open all your laptops and everything. Go to Comprehensive Meta-Analysis website. Can I stop this? Yes. How? But from here. Okay. From here I can. No, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, yeah, I need internet. No, but I can use here. Okay. This one. Please take it. If you are not having laptop with you, sit with the person who is having it. Yeah, sit beside the person who is having it so that you will understand. Cannot connect. Let me use my phone in that case. Where is my phone? It is in port. I'll use my phone. Network. Who is Devraj? Give me your net. There is no internet in CMDR, so forget about it. All of you are connected to net? Good. Don't rush. Don't open videos and all. Go to comprehensive meta-analysis, then go to free download or something will be there. Don't write it. Don't write it better. Actual download it on your laptop. A free trial. Free trial must be there. Download that. Do you get it? Is it there somewhere? Downloads is here, na? Huh? Yeah, this one. CMA free 10 days before trial. Okay? And since I have already downloaded, I will just open that. They will send you a mail with a link that you need to use it. Give your email address, your name and other details as they want you to give, and then check your mail. A link might have come to your mail. From that link, you download it, run it, and open this software.
This video highlights the major features.
Don't go to the demo. Anybody is facing problem? Please tell me. Comprehensive meta-analysis you write, or CMA also, I think it will show. If net problem is there, connect with your phone. Let us come. I'll come back. I'll do that. Go to downloads. Pardon? No, go to downloads. Second one. See your free trial. Anybody is facing problem? Let me know. Download आ गया? This one first. Download version 4, first one. Go to downloads. No, up. Downloads are there, na? Major, yeah. The second one, free trial. Yeah. Install. You got the executive file. Install it. Check your mail. Link has gone to your mail.
Link is not here.
In your mail.
In your mail.
No, this is what it has come. You just click it.
It has come.
It may take 1 minute or so. Okay. But if you open here, it will download here. You have to open here on your laptop. Your organization. You're from same team. Username. You write username, your name, and then write same. Don't write fake things. Okay, please write right things. They may be sending you mail later on. Please purchase it and all. But it is okay. Okay, but don't give fake things. Okay. Maybe your organization would like to purchase. That time you can see. The colors also. You check your mail. You have opened? No, wait here. Install also. Open it. Open it from here. Open. Not from here. Program opening. Where is it? Yeah, open it. Is it ready for all of you? Any problem, please let me know. We can go it through very quickly. Who asked me to come? You asked. Yes. Tell me. Download this. Download this. It will be executive file will be there. Just open that executive file and your software will be downloaded. Anybody having problem? Please let me know. Give your organization name, your name and your organization name. Yes. Which one? So install हो गया तो it must be there. Why you are searching for that? It will come. This is. ये क्या? ये नहीं. Go ahead. Why did you download it? Huh? Have you downloaded the software? नहीं अभी you just close these things. Come to this kind of sheet. What I am showing you. Okay, good. You are having problem? Yes. Are you having problem? You are done. Okay, good. Somebody here was having problem. Huh? Done. Everybody done. Good. Done. Don't show me. If you are done, it is okay. In case there is problem, let me know. So all of us are, yeah, you want me to come and see? Okay. You go here. This your one, na? And then it has come now. Thanks for requesting. Go to your mail. It must have come. You see the other thing. If it has not come to the primary, say updates or somewhere. You open your mail here because you can't download on your phone. If you download on your phone, then you will not be able to work from the laptop. Yes. Go here. Download. You have already got the mail, na? Open mail here. Why you are opening mail here? Yeah, mail. Open your mail here. Don't open mail on your phone because from phone you cannot download the software on your laptop. Open your mail in the laptop itself. And those who are not having laptops, please write the steps how to do it. Okay, done? I think everybody's done. Okay, so we go ahead. Now open, there must be so many things coming tutorial, this, that, close everything. Come to this blank page, which looks like Excel sheet. Okay, come, everybody are there on this page? Can I go ahead? What happened? Dodo, your net is slow. No. Not no, what are you installing? It will take some time. It is because of the net. Okay, your attention please, all of you. So, now this is your Excel sheet, and if you click on A, this will give column properties. Okay, no, I don't want this. Wait a minute. Double click. Yeah, okay, this is what it is going to. But why it is showing this? I don't want this. I want some help. Where do I get help? No, not that help. Not that help. Actually,
Identity function.
yes, this is what. Okay, I was going on a wrong thing. Okay. So if you come here, identify the function for column A. Choose study name. Column A holds a study name. Okay. Okay. Now, just under any assumption you can write Kumar, Sharma, whatever. Some 4-5 names you fill it. Hypothetical. Some 4-5 only we can fill. Okay, all of you filled it? Okay, then go to B and select this moderator variable. Okay, now this moderator variable, suppose it is like year. So fill some year. Year of study, not this.
Year means year of the 80. Year means 1996 like that.
When the study is conducted, okay.
How to mention the years?
Just 1999, 2015, whatever.
So you have to give different years for.
Yeah, different years. Put different years.
So there is option called the time point also.
On?
Maybe the moderate is for mediating variables.
Okay. Time point names. Is it giving time points there?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay, go for that. Go for that in that case. Good, thank you. I have used it a long back, so I have forgotten many things. Moderator variable north, south, or some other things. Study conducted in south, studies conducted in north. Whatever you want to write, you can identify some moderator variables. Okay. Pardon? This is hypothetical. Actually, when you are doing meta-analysis, you will be getting studies conducted in some years, studies conducted in northern states, southern states, studies conducted out of India, inside India, all those things. Okay.
So here we should give the name of the year in place of variable name or date.
Moderate as a it will be using as a moderator variable. Okay. You can use as a moderator variable. That's no issue. In case there is a variability. Forget about time point, just write moderator variable. We'll go ahead with that. Okay. Okay, so put some hypothetical moderator variable, okay, region or anything that you feel like. And then you go to this effect size data. In the same identify function for, from the same you go to identify size, effect size data. If anybody is not getting it, please let me know. Don't get stuck there. What? Yes. I'll also. When you are going there, it will ask you like this. Show common formats only, show all 100 formats. Let us go for show common formats. Go to the next. Okay. Comparison of two groups, time points or exposure. Let us be there, including correlations. Let us be there. You can see there are many other things that I am not going to, just for understanding I am telling it. Okay, now here it is the correlation. Okay, so I select correlation and sample size. Correlation and sample size, and next, okay, column D, sample size. I don't think. Just go for finish. No issue. We are anyway in column D. So whatever column you are there, you just go for finish. You will get this.
Sir, I would request you to kindly update the system from there. Sir, we are unable to simply what operation we
Now somebody can help me. See, I will do it again, okay? At the cost of repetition, I am doing it. Sorry. No, don't. I don't need that. I'm really looking there. See, yeah. See, once again I am showing you here. You go to identify function, go to effect size data, Okay, once you go to the effect sizes data, this will pop up. Okay, actually I'm already here. Maybe this is like this. Okay, this is like this. You will get. Go to the correlation. Computed. I have seen gone for correlation sample size. Okay. What is this?
You have already selected, that's why.
Okay. Oh, okay. So this, if you go, it will. Yeah, since I have already done, it is not showing. Okay, good. So this is how you will get this. You will get this. Could you get up? Could you go up to this, or I will come and show them? Huh? You got this? Okay, good. Now please, you can start filling up whatever. Assume some correlation value, assume some sample size, fill it up. And effect direction is whatever. If you want autonomous, you can write auto, or you can decide positive, negative, whatever you can decide. As put in hypothetical correlation value for all your 5-6 studies that you are using. The value has to be from 0 to 1 only. Don't put more than that.
So what is the effect direction means
Some hypothetical. Anything.
So what is the effect direction means?
Effect direction is positive, negative, or you can write auto in case you are. Effect direction is whether the correlation is positively correlated, negatively correlated. That is the effect direction. Or you write auto. So from the value only it will take whatever. Suppose you are writing correlation is minus 0.8. And you don't specify auto, you write. It will take it as a negative. But try to be realistic, okay? Don't be too hypothetical. Try to be somewhat realistic. When you are putting in data, try to be somewhat realistic. Also try to be variability, try to introduce some variability. Don't write 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, 0.8 in all the columns. That will not help you, okay? Sample size also vary. Write variable sample sizes. Effect direction, if you don't understand, just write auto, no issue. And just like your review of literature, don't forget to write some non-correlation and some minus and all those things. Don't forget to. Don't put same sample. Put something, some very big, some very small. All those things you write. Effect direction is positive, negative, or what? If you don't understand, just put auto. So based on your correlation value, you will take it. Beyond effect direction, you don't have to enter anything. It will automatically come. Those yellow things will be automatically get filled up. Once you are filling the data here and going to the next below, automatically it gets filled up. So you don't have to bother about it. They are giving you this big portal, they are giving you such a small portal. Is it yours? Sure? Not given by these people? Done? Now it is time for the magic. It is the time for what? Magic will happen when everybody will say it is time for what? Magic. Run analysis. Go here and click run analysis. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
What has come? And can you see the confidence interval?
Yes, sir.
And the last one that you are seeing, the confidence interval, is the average of all the rays. Okay? And the bigger one, what is it written? The last one. No. Something is written. What is that?
Random prediction interval.
Yes. Then prediction interval is not coming for you? Oh, okay. So in some cases prediction interval may not show because there is not much of variability. But if variability is too much, it will show your prediction interval. That means there are two groups and all. Moderator variable is working there. Okay? That is what it means. Now see the beauty of it. See the beauty of it. The last one, that random model, what it is using is the result in between which the population parameter will fall with how much confidence? 95% confidence. No, but why you are putting 7.5? If it is time point, then it has to be like that. Anyway, so you go and so you remove that. Or fill something. What is it? Just fill something. And you write NS, you fill something. This is how you write report. Okay, and then you can also generate report. Okay, it can generate report and interpretation. It will show yourself. Can you generate the report? It is writing somewhere. Show report. Not in this screen, but in your screen it must be there. Show report.
Yes, sir.
Now read the report and see if it means some meaning you are able to get from that. If anyone is having any kind of problem, please let me know. Could you generate the reports? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Your analysis, you could get the analysis. No.
With reference.
Yes.
About the model,
Yeah, about the model, that random model that it is. You can use some other model also, but I am not getting into so much. First we need to understand fundamentally. Then you can play with the things. Okay. Playing with the things is better. Yes. This is come. Why you have kept blank after giving the point? Yeah, you did. Some here you put. Okay. Anyway, you have analyzed. Go for run analysis, but analysis must not be running if it is blank. You will not run. If you keep anything blank, analysis will not be done. Please fill it up. You got it? Now see, this one is your population parameter lies between these two with 95% confidence. But this is very big. That means there are some models. So you need to dig it. It is showing this. Predictive. No, random is this one. Below that, it will not show red.
Sir, you use the correlation example, sir.
Pardon?
You use the correlation as an example. You can do it for the other.
You can do it for differences also. But you have to, accordingly you use, I'll close this and try to explain you this. How to close this, how to close this.
Is it also applicable for the categorical variables?
Huh? See, if I go here, identify function, effect size, okay, effect size, next, and estimate of means, proportion, rates. You know, if you are interested in these things, and if it is the continuous raw data, means these things are there. So, or if it is computed, effect size are there, then mean and confidence limits you have written. You can go to next and finish it. So you will get this mean and standard error. So you
Does the software supports the categorical analysis?
yes. That is what I told you in the one of the slides. No, that dichotomous. It will eliminate dichotomous if it is done from the continuous.
Diluted.
Pardon?
The quality of the data will be diluted while categorizing.
It is not doing that. If you have categorized,
Yes, sir.
your study has categorized, it will make it continuous for you.
That is the implication that the quantitative techniques are better than the qualitative analysis.
No. Please don't use such kind of statement.
Accurate, sir.
No. Qualitative analysis are also important. Quantitative analysis are also important. Sometimes hybrid of both are also important. It depends on the kind of study you are doing. It is not per se as principle. Don't ever say that to anybody. Okay? You got the point? Everything has got its own importance. You will say, I will ask you whether the pant is more important or pajama is more important. Tell me.
The both are.
In night you can't wear the pant and sleep. Pajama you want. It is the time when you want to wear it. Similarly this thing. Don't go by my examples. I take weird examples.
What I meant is the accuracy of the quantitative studies is more accurate than the qualitative studies. While doing the meta-analysis, it is more appropriate if you use the quantitative techniques and not the qualitative.
Yes.
The qualitative data has minimal information.
Yes. You are right. You are right in that sense.
Yes, sir.
You are right.
Talking about that.
Yes. You are right. Okay. So is everybody in the same plane? Or somebody is everybody in the same bus? Going to Bombay, becoming heroines of research? Of research.
Sir, for categorical variable, do we need to code it before putting it into this?
No. Whatever is there, it will ask. It is from the study you put there. What it does, I tell you, it creates a distribution of that. From that, it will randomly take the value. So those things, let the software do it for you. Don't bother about that. Okay. But you should understand what exactly is happening. Okay? Because without knowing that what is happening, how will you interpret the results that you have got? Okay? So, yes, now I need to come back to my presentation again. Yes?
Can we import Excel to that?
Exactly, you can. Any kind of format you can. That is a really beautiful thing. Where is my presentation?
I think you do this. This will be
That's the PDF, sir.
Yeah, but this can also be enlarged. No. Which one? This one. Okay. Yeah, this will show like this. Oh, good. So, we will have a revision after having understood through the software. Now, things what I will say will make more sense. Okay? So, we will have a quick revision of the slides. So, what is meta-analysis? Now you understand what it means, analysis of analysis. Okay? And what we have done is, we have used the single studies data and analyzed it. So it is analysis of analysis. Okay, so it is a process of synthesizing results and all those things. Okay. And meta-analysis results, as you said, as you were telling, is better than narrative. The narrative that 5 researches are significant. Where were you 3000?
Not 3,000. I'm in hospital.
Oh, I can't say anything about it. Do you have your laptop?
Yes, I have.
Where is it? Please sit there. You get up from her.
It's okay.
No, not for that. You will learn from her. Are you getting up or I call police? Better teach everything about the software. Okay. I don't think you need to go through this. And let me just do it with the class. Let her know it. Because 3000 is important for me. So, is it better than narrative? Now, none of you are going to have review of literature, write a review of literature without using meta-analysis. Will you promise me this?
Yes.
All of you are going to do this in any of your studies, whether project, PhD, MSc, whatever. Okay?
Studying the qualitative studies, even then, can we use
No, you need those effect sizes. With qualitative meta-analysis is not there. For that, I think there is one meta-synthesis is there. But I can't build meta-synthesis. You will have to. Should I help it? It is like taking water from the well. Okay? Yes. Quantitative data. Yes. No, but why I am saying so is because even if it is a quantitative data, as he said, we make it a qualitative output out of that in a review of literature. That so many studies found for positive, negative, and it means nothing. Okay. So it is an empirical work. Is it empirical work as this slide is telling? And quantitative is rather than qualitative, and it is based on study outcome rather than raw data. We have not used any raw data here. It is from the individual study outcomes, which is reported in different papers, okay, or thesis or wherever, okay, and then it is based on single independent and dependent variable, and it is based on the same or similar design. Okay. So if these things are not there, please don't use it there. Okay. And okay.
It's not applicable for multiple.
There is meta-analysis for regression also. I have not dealt here. If you are interested, you can do it.
So can you speak about the variable? You know, multiple input variables will not be replaced.
It is there. It is there. In meta-analysis, it is there, but everything has to be same. You can't combine different models. When you say regression means regression model should be same. So it is better to go for couple of X and Y only. You know.
Can you speak about how to select the literature? Can you speak little bit about how to pick a study which is relevant to our topic? What to choose and what not to choose?
Yes,
So,
sir.
whether the study has
Very
qualitative analysis,
literature.
we should select that.
Practical
Whether it has the study does not have the
Correlation.
any statistical tests. So what is the criteria for choosing?
He's asking me, but he's also answering it. Okay. Very good. See, first, it has to be identical, independent variable, identical or similar. If not same, similar. Okay.
So can you quote an example, like if we are taking two studies in which independent and dependent variable, like I quote the example of nitrogen fertilizer. So it is very similar, like identical. So can you quote from where we can take the similar dependent and independent variable? Any practical examples?
Where can I put this?
Here.
Okay. I will write this.
Yes, sir, we can.
We must. So that we will get proper things.
Sir, you can make meta-analysis of all the reports.
When we will come, we will make book of all the things and post it with the
Like sir, we are contributing different states.
Okay, by the time it is searching, I will answer you. Take similar studies, if not same. Take similar independent variables, take similar dependent variable. Okay? Their measurement tools can be different, does not matter. Because there is actually I have done a very simplified way of calculating it because I wanted you to understand the software. But then there are also columns where you will be writing the reliability of the instrument with which they have measured. So if you put all those things, it will correct those things also. Measurement error. How they will correct measurement error? If you give your reliability data, I have not tried to make it very complex here. Okay? But in the example, I will try to show you if it is possible for me. What should I say? Take attitude. Okay. Now this is a real data that I have used. Okay. The studies are conducted in 85, 71 and all those things. Actually, I reviewed some 9,000 theses across the country, master's PhD thesis in agriculture. So from there I have drawn these studies with the same or similar kind of, see, this is like adoption of high-yielding paddy and attitude towards high-yielding variety.
Sir, can you please let me write the variables. Sir, let me write the variables.
No need. There are so many types of variable, so many combination of dependent and independent variable. So now this is something which is a real data, okay? And if I analyze it, run analysis on this data, it will give me a real picture of this, okay? Now see the thing, something is as less as this, something is as high as this, okay? But this is what is I get it. And if you note it here, the 95% confidence interval is quite big. Why? Because error in all these things are very big. Can you see this?
Yes.
Error in these studies is very big. Okay? So it take care of that.
The year we include, is it being used anywhere in another?
No, I'm not further used it. If I will find that this is like if this is too high, variability is too high, I can go with the moderator variable, select some of them, like, and then use them. If you see here,
Is generally the year in which the paper was done also.
I don't know, these two are wrong, something wrong with, I don't know what it is exactly. I'm not able to get it. But year may not be the moderator variable in certain cases. I told you that year can be a moderator variable. But it is not that year will be always a moderator variable.
So then what other variables?
Regions can be moderator variable. States can be moderator variable. North region, south region, state, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh or whatever. You from the see that is not something the software will tell you. That is something you have to look into the data and find out, try to find out what could be the moderator variable. And the simple test of it is based on the moderator variable that you have identified, you divide it and recalculate it. If again the variability is more, that means you have not identified the right moderator variable. But if variability is not significantly high, that means you have truly identified the moderator variable. There is no other method. It is a thumb rule kind of thing. You have to do with that.
But our theory will help us.
Theory will help us. Yes.
In identifying.
Yes. Very much.
Or
Very
the
much.
systematic review of literature.
Yes. Very much. Very much it will help you.
For the scientific.
See, everything cannot be done by the software. No, there are certain things that we need to, as a researcher, we need to put in ourselves. Okay.
Sir, my question is remaining, sir, unanswered, sir, sorry.
Please.
Sir,
I'm here for that only.
Sir, in case you said in
How much honorarium are you giving? Up to 10 questions or 20 questions?
You fix it.
Sir, in case of the similar variable, if we are unable to find the exactly same variable, dependent or independent, in case of similar variable, we need to identify and make the meta-analysis of the studies. So can you quote a practical or simple example in the
No, I have not done for that kind of, I have gone for exactly, because I have reviewed 9,000 theses. For me, that was not the question.
Sir, but in sciences of physical
It may be question, but again here as a researcher, your intuition has to work there. What do you call similar variable? What do you call similar variable? For example, I will tell you, education. When you say education, how you measure education? What is education? How? Tell me.
Primary, higher primary.
It is the number of years that somebody has spent in formal education system. But for me, education is also informal. I'll also go for informal. That after a person has become, say, 8 years or 5 years, and in formal system, whatever age beyond 5 years is there, he is that much formally educated. What's wrong in that? Not wrong. You get the point. So these are the examples what you are searching for. But they are similar. They are similar. Our assumption is in formal or informal, you are learning many similar things. Suppose somebody has not gone to school. home tutoring, what is called.
Even the slide definition can distort the analysis.
No, analysis means, see, that is where you have to see. Now, you have to see whether these two things should be combined or not. And if you combine and see there is a variability, then you have to segregate.
So the same will be applicable for independent variable as well.
Yes, yes, for dependent as well as independent, same thing. We can't compare apples and oranges through meta-analysis. That is for sure.
As mostly in social sciences, we do not get the accurate variable. As in physical sciences, we can get the accurate independent or dependent variables.
That limitation is there with social scientists. That limitation is very much there. Even I tell you similar, very simple thing. Somebody has measured attitude towards Karnataka state government with one scale. Another person has measured with some other scale. Both are same variable, but we can combine. But there you have to give the reliability score of the scale. Okay? Now this is the kind of data that I collected. I was telling you 9,000 studies and all. This is the kind of data I collected. Where, which university, author, guide, title. I'll just go like this. Okay. Then year. Then sampling. What kind of sampling? Respondent, sample size. Whether they have used percentage, mean, median, mode, standard, whether they have used it or not, factor analysis, chi-square, all these tests, whether they have used it or not, and if they have used it, the dependent variable, reliability of dependent variable, independent variable, reliability of independent variable, statistical, I think that we go to some, okay. Okay. Statistical tests used and all, significant degree of freedom and all this. So this is the way I have actually collected the data for my meta-analysis. Okay? And just assume, when did I first use meta-analysis? Some guess. When did I use for the first time meta-analysis? With that we will close. If you don't give the answer, no lunch.
So narrative you may have used it in very early stages in your researches.
You are very close to the answer.
But
I used this in my master's degree in 1988. Okay. You were not born. Okay. So, and how did I use this? Because I was looking for something new, something different I want to do, not beat the same path. I wanted to excel. I'm not patting my back. What I'm trying to impress upon is, as a researcher, always try and look for something new. something new with the research methodology, the problem, some innovativeness has to be there. Don't beat the same path. Even if you have to beat the same path, somebody has beaten it with broom, you beat it with a danda. Okay, not with the broom. So something different we have to do. With that mind only, I went for this. And the same thing I did for PhD, I have gone for social simulation. Okay? Social simulation. All of you know what is social simulation? Simulation is mimicking. Social simulation is mimicking some social phenomena. So I have done simulation of adoption. Okay, so that is what my PhD thesis was. And how thick that thesis should have been? How thick PhD thesis? 450 pages. 57 pages. Don't need that. If you do quality work, don't need those 450, 300 pages. Okay? Do that quality work. In North, I am from Bihar. Okay. There, they say, I will not say in my language, I will say in English, that the duffer students will have the heaviest backpack. Okay. So you have to show that you are a smart student. Okay. I'll end with one story. I'll actually end. Okay. Because I told earlier I'm ending with this. I will actually end with this story.
Sir, in result, which part we have to focus on, sir, in report?
Pardon?
In report, we get this method, which we have to focus.
Focus basically on the meta-analyzed result that you got. That is your main result. With the confidence interval, this is the population. This is the very, very close to the population parameter. Rest thing is only interpretation. So I'll come back to the story. The story is like that. You must have seen that there are big companies, meetings will go on in 5-star hotels and all. All the CEOs and other things, their MDs and all will go. And they will go in their own car with the driver and all. So there was one such company. And the driver of the company was a person like me. Okay, not PhD, but a person like me, thinking like me. And somebody asked him, what do you do? What should be the answer? What should be the answer? Is it so difficult? What should be the answer? What do you do? The driver was asked, what do you do? The answer is? I drive. I drive the car of MD or CEO, whatever. Okay? No.
So it can be like I am making this meeting to be done for the very special purpose.
You are close to what I am going to say. So he said, I run the company. Then said, bloody, what are you talking? You run car and you are saying you are running the company. He said, no, take me seriously. I do run the company. Then the other person asked, okay, how? Explain. Then he said, whenever some meeting is there, and the drivers will go and sit in the lawn, play cards and all. And when the meeting will be over, there will be an announcement, car number 2456 or something, whatever, come. So they will go to the car, take the car and go to the post. And their MD or officers will sit and they will go. But this fellow, what he will do? This fellow will keep looking that when the meeting is getting over, the moment he will get the feel of it, okay, no meeting is getting over, he will run to his car, bring it to the post. And his CEO will just get down the stairs, sit and go. While other CEOs will be standing on the stairs waiting for their car to come. Then these CEOs who will be standing on the stairs will talk among themselves that which company is this, whose driver is so efficient, we should do business with this kind of company. So he is running the company. He's bringing business to the company by just excelling in his work. So whatever you do, even if you are brooming your room, excellent way you broom, not like this. Okay? If you are doing a research, excel in that. Excel does not mean you have to use very big research methodology, very big this. Do it meticulously. Do it with all thought. Do it what is required to be done, not the mundane researches. Excel in that. So let us be that driver. That is why I said the driver is like me, or I am like that driver. Okay.
Sir,
With this, it is already over. But you can ask.
sir, can I ask in your analysis what moderator did you take for?
There are so many variables that I have done. So number of studies are there, not one or two, so many things. But I am very poor in publishing it. You will not find so many papers on my name. I do lot of things, lot of analysis, lot of things, but they are all just dumped. I am not so good in writing. I am good in speaking.
It's a moderator. I was asking which of the columns.
In many cases, I have used South and North. In some cases, I have used the before 90s and after 90s, like that I have used.
Thank you, sir.
Okay? I think with this, it is heavily loaded.
No, sir.
Okay. You got everything better?
Yes.
Huh? She told you. So you should give her a treat.
Sure, sir.
Pizza. Okay. So if no more questions are there, I should thank for all your interest. I enjoyed with this group. I enjoyed very much. Okay. And please don't mind my passing remarks. They were just passing only. So let it pass. Don't hold it. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Sir, we won't let you go like this. Sir, we are very fortunate to have you here, and we really learned not only meta-analysis, but how to deal with it, different variables. Many questions were being answered, and you were meticulously answering and giving the direction to us. Sir, this session was very helpful for all of us, for all the participants to be present. So on behalf of all the participants and CMDR, I would like to give a vote of thanks to you. I really appreciate it.
And you being researcher, also try to learn something from the way a session should be conducted. Don't make it boring for your students or for anybody. It will come with practice, because for more than 30 years I have been doing it. It is coming automatically for me. But try to learn that also. Apart from research methodology, learn how to present. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Thank you all.
Thank you.